Hey guys! Today we are going to make a Earth Day craft. For that we will need any magazine, newspaper or paper which we can recycle, scissors, any bottle but should be round shape, and paper tape. It's optional because without it also it will hold. So first I'm going to take the middle page of the magazine and I'm going to tear both of them together. So we will get a book kind of paper. Now we don't need the magazine anymore. And we will open the paper and I'll fold it into a half like this. Once that is done, we can take our bottle and put it on the paper. Now we will start rolling the paper. Okay. Once that's done, we will apply some tape at the end over here. Like this. Now, from here, we will start folding. You can do the last fold and apply tape over here. As I said, it is optional. And now we will remove the paper from the bottle. So that's all that we had to do. It was a very easy job. Now let's see how strong it is. So how many ever times we make it fall, it is not breaking. So it is very strong and it holds still. Yay, these are my boxing gloves. Oh, never mind. Let's grow plants in them. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.